Hello, my name is Marcelo Baines, the Chairman of Newton County Board of Commissioners. I want to take this opportunity today to welcome you to the Chairman's Corner. Last week we talked about legal fees here in our community, in our county government. Today I want to talk about transparency. When we did our strategic plan, we asked the citizens of this community what were some of the things that they wanted to see different in our local government. And one of the things that they responded the most on was transparency. So with that being said, we put our heads together and we came up with a tool called Open Finance. This is a tool that will allow the citizens, the taxpayers of this community to go to our website and see their tax dollars at work. You can go in as a citizen and see where your money is being utilized at, where it's being spent, and you're able to make comments on our website. So today I'm actually going to walk you through it, scroll through it, and give you an opportunity to actually see it at work. So if you would, bear with me as we set up things here and we get ready to go into our website, and we get ready to prepare to teach you how to go in and find out what your tax dollars, how your tax dollars are actually being used. I'm excited today because this is something that the citizens have asked for, and we have put a program together to provide this information. So if you would give me just a moment, I'm gonna set up here and we'll go through this together. On our homepage, you will see a summary showing revenues, our current operating budget, vendor payments, our total payroll. You can search by using common questions or enter your own subject in the search field. You can click on one of the four main boxes which shows up-to-date financials such as revenues, expense, our vendor payments, and total payroll. You can also search through the menu at the top to look at the budget, checkbook, or payroll. Under the budget, you can view as a snapshot, pie chart, or overtime. From there, you can find where the money comes and how it is spent. Let's take a look at our election office. You can continue to look at the pie chart or click to a snapshot and see how their expenses match up with the budget items. Actually, you can find all of our departments that way. If you go to the checkbook menu, you can see our ledger real-time updates each week. The last menu item up top allows you to see our payroll information in real time. Here you can explore the payroll expense of our county government, finding out how much money is being spent and on what the county is spending on and what our operating cost is. As you can see, that was really simple. Going through our website, and you can actually go in now and for yourself. You don't need a tour, you just go in for yourself and see your local tax dollars at work. Please utilize this tool that we have set up for our citizens. Thank you today for visiting the Chairman's Corner. As always, God bless you and God bless Newton County.